Oh, hi everyone. We've got another UDS Henry. This one is from 2001, early 2001. I got this quite a while ago actually. I didn't get this with the job lot, this is separate. Only because I just really wanted a UDS Henry, honestly. This one did come as working, although I kind of done some stupid stuff to ruin it. It was working, it had a slight pop to it in the com, so I thought sand it down. And the bearings were a little bit off on it, so I had done some, just poked at them and all that, and just kind of ruined the com. So a few days later, I had a hvr200 that I gave to my friend. I thought I'd get that running, see, because it just smelled smoke and it had one pop to it, so I thought I'd leave it running for a little bit and see if it get better, and it did. And because it sounded like a rocker switch UDS, except obviously it was a push button motor, it sounded like a rocker switch UDS, so I thought I'd just take the com out and put it in this, and it runs quite fine. It runs really nicely. It's in very nice condition as well. I did have another one of it like this, but it had a better motor in it, but appearance, it was quite nice looking as well. It was more shiny than this, but honestly this is quite a nice machine as well. It's got its original cord, and it's the yellow tag. That's a little bit gone because I sifted too much, but I couldn't really care about that. It's just not really, it's really shiny, and you can even see me in it, but it's just come up really nice. A little bit dusty, but it's come up really nice out the wheels. I mean the base isn't just your really casual used base really, but otherwise it's pretty nice. Inside, here we've got a nice washed filter. A little stain there, but it's alright. I have been using this a lot. The bag's a little bit full, not much. I didn't really get this that long. I think it's the start of mid-summer holidays. Under here, all nice and clean. Motor's very nice. Yeah, it's just all in nice condition. The hoses are for MBQ300, 250, not 300, MBQ 250. And just got some poles and floor head that I've got. It should really, this one, because 2001 it will come with the double pedal, but I prefer using this style of head. Oh, it's pretty clean under here. Well, not really, because I have been using it. Yeah. Now, I'm here running. Now, it does run quite nicely, but just on the wide angle, it crumbles a little bit, because obviously I got an NV300 of this, and with that MVQ300B, and they've been sat in someone's shed for years. So obviously this actual com in it was seized, but I saved it. And the MV300 had a blown suppressor, so they've been sat in her shed for many years, and even the MV300 has crumbly bearings. Otherwise, it does run alright. So it's a little bit crumbly, not too bad. I mean, it does quiet down after you use it a little bit. But I'll give you a demo of it right now. It does run quite nice. Now, before, when I had the push button coils on it, it had proper strong suction. I mean, it's gone down a little bit of suction, but I don't know what's happened there. But here we go. Very powerful still though. So yeah, it runs pretty nicely. I do have another couple of these Henrys that I will be able to save up there. Those two UDS motors next to that DAF motor. So yeah, those will be another savable ones. But you know, this one's pretty nice to use. I do use it a lot, obviously because I do like UDS Henrys, mainly rocker switch. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching.